I came from a family. My father was wonderful, but very good disciplinarian also. My mother, may nakabalance. Like si Papa was the type who never spared the rat.
Yeah.
You know, I come from a big family. We are 6, 4 boys and 2 girls.
It's a lot.
Secretary Rene is the youngest. I'm the eldest. So there's some 18.
Menendez is connected to the Dutertes? Durano? No.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
There was an article that came out just recently.
Yes, sa Gonzales. Ang akong great-grandmother Gonzales was a cousin of his great-grandmother also. Then sa Durano, Congressman Durano, the old man, married the Duterte, si Jackie. Naasad sila sa Duterte na. Kami dito sa Almendras Gonzales. In fact, he grew up in Danao. He used to play Jolene with my brother, the doctor.
Now, who would have thought? No?
Who would have thought?
Yeah,
Who would have thought?
I'm so
I was very hands-on. I was very hands-on. That's why there's a gap in my political career when my kids were growing up. Like, I was the type of mom na mula ba sa barong sa akong husband,
wow.
Using shampoo,
Shampoo.
mo himo of ham or corned beef, and would cook for my children.
How many children do you have?
3, and they're all grown up. I eat anything.
I eat chocolates. Back with your age. Nagpalit ka ng chocolate cake.
Kailangan na ba yung get a chocolate cake? Yes, I still indulge in chocolates, but very simple. Very simple ang akong
Pinaka-favorite?
Ano sa mga akong pinaka-favorite?
Any kind of saging? Is it the saging na kuan or the saging?
Minantikaan. Fried bananas. That's my favorite snacks. And if I may add, I love the farm. I have a small farm. I have 6 cows. I do my own cottage cheese. Yes, and then if you want to taste the milk, pag tinawas sa atong milk, I pasteurize my milk. I do my own pasteurization kasi I'm very careful about temperatures, etc. And in fact, every Monday, Sundays, that's my day.
So
I go to that farm.
Wow. Wow.
That's a fresh.
Thank you. I've got a milk. Is this for sale?
Yeah, but then no, but that's
No, it's just really for
you try it.
I will try this. So you did this. I am so honored.
I have 6 cows. I named them after the 4 named. I named after my grandchildren. I said I'm running out of names because I only have 4 grandchildren.
You can borrow my son's
Can I borrow your Anton? Kung lalaki.
Yes, at least Anton. Hindi kayo. Matiis din mo ang gat.
Gatas yun.
Gatas din siya.
If you drink fresh milk, kita ka fresh milk. And my cows are well fed. Alcansi kayo ko, pero I love that my cows, they're well fed. I give molasses.
Is this in Danao or?
It's in Danao. That's my only. I can think of how do you relax? I go to the farm. And I weed. I harvest ampalaya. I harvest talong. And even if mangoes now. Bayabas. I still have time to do my pasteurization on weekends, basta Sundays. The rest of the week that we sell to Sefetco. Na nasa international Sefetco.
I noticed that.
Okay. But here available Mondays.
I'll come here.
Thank you,
every
Jen.
Monday.
Thank you also.
Thank you so much. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my time with Vice Governor Agnes Magpale.
Talking about women, problems
yes.
of women.
Anything about women, just come to her. Milk was so good. You can borrow my son's name for the next cow.
The next cow. Well, because one of the cows is pregnant again.
Thank you so much. And please don't forget to subscribe to Clever Filipina
Clever
or
Filipina.
TCF Daily. Thank you.
Bye-bye.